So here's the process. My suggested first step for you is to visit an outside firm called FP Transitions. They are the leader in financial planning practice valuations and in buying and selling for financial planning practices. They will help you to get an objective third-party value of your firm that you can then use to sell to us or anybody else. By having that valuation, we'll be able to begin discussions about how we might work together, how long you might want to work, how you would like to be paid for your practice. After you have your valuation, we'll get together and discuss locations of offices, staffing. We'll figure out arrangements for how much up front, how much you want to be paid on an ongoing basis. If you'd like to continue to consult with the firm and participate in the success of your clients going forward, and then where you would like to work from. We have multiple offices. You don't have to work from where you are today. You can work from several locations. We're ready to help you get started to work on a full or part-time retirement today. Call and we'll get started working together.